Singer Valve's pressure-reducing valve is a snap to commission. The only tools you'll need are a slotted screwdriver and an adjustable wrench. So let's get started. Step 1. Ensure you have a downstream pressure gauge installed on the pipeline. Step 2. Ensure the upstream and downstream gate valves are open. Step 3. Make sure all pilot isolating valves are open and the pilot systems look free of damage. Step 4. Eliminate all the air in the pilot system on the valve, either using a position indicator bleed or loosening the highest point flare nut on the pilot system piping. Step 5. If you're not sure of the pilot setting, back out in the adjusting screw. This will put the pilot setting at the lowest point of range. Step 6. Start taking some flow through the valve. This may mean opening up a fire hydrant downstream. You don't need full flow, and if flow is excessive, throttle the flow using the downstream gate valve. Step 7. Start turning the pilot adjusting screw in clockwise while noting the downstream pressure gauge. Step 8. Once the pressure gauge reads the set point you require, continue turning clockwise until the gauge reads about 5 psi over your set point. Then turn the screw counterclockwise until the pressure drops 5 psi below your set point. Then turn the screw in clockwise, slowing, bringing the pressure up to your set point. Then tighten the bottom lock nut at the adjustment stem. And step 9, check that the downstream outlet pressure is good. If you've throttled the downstream gate valve, this can now be opened fully. If the pressure gauge bounces around the valve, appearing to hunt, you may need to adjust the opening speed control very slightly until this dampens out any hunting. This is a factory set, but sometimes may require a very tiny adjustment. Oh, if you had a fire hydrant open, this can now be closed. You did it! The pressure-reducing valve is now active and ready to operate automatically.